Hi everyone, welcome to the SKSK Lab. My name is Gaurav Thakur. You are watching SKSK Lab Today channel. Today we are going to starting with another very important, or you can say very easy concept, that is HTML. Such a such a very easy concept of HTML. Talking about introduction to HTML. So what is HTML? First of all, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a full form of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML standard language used to create and design web pages. Like it is used to create website and web pages. It tells how web browser and how to display content such as text, images, links, tables, videos, and of course forms on a वेब पेज बेसिकली एचटीएमएल क्या कर करता है मैं फॉर एग्जांपल आपको समझाता हूँ इसमें तीन कॉन्सेप्ट होते हैं एक तो एचटीएमएल जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसमें एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है सी एस एस का एंड जावास्क्रिप्ट एचटीएमएल बेसिकली जैसे हमारी स्केलेटन है दैट इज एचटीएमएल इसके ऊपर हमने स्किन ऑर्गन्स क्लोथ्स लगा दिए तो सीएसएस यूजिंग हम उस स्केलेटन को हमने डिजाइन कर दिया स्किन में लगा के and the thinking we are moving we are thinking our organs are working these all are called javascript so हमने एक body structure की तरह हमने html को सीख लिया html is not a programming language do remember this thing html कभी भी programming language नहीं है it is just a markup language क्योंकि because it does not perform any calculation or logical part ये कोई calculation और logic part नहीं करता ये सिर्फ एक मार्कअप लैंग्वेज है जो कि टैग्स के अराउंड काम करते हैं uses of HTML creating web pages. HTML used to create structured of web pages like headings हो गई, paragraphs हो गया, images हो गई, links हो गए, designing website layouts like header, navigation, main content, footer, etc. Linking web pages. Web pages को अगर link करना है तो we use the tag called anchor tag. This tag anchor tag. Always remember greater than and greater than less than sign and in between the tags come and always few tags always close with first slash and then the tag name. I will show you practically adding multimedia like images, audios, videos, YouTube videos, etc. Creating forms, HTML is used to create login forms, registration forms, feedback forms, many other type of forms. Supporting other technology like CSS for designing, JavaScript for dynamic behavior and logical responsible. HTML का हम स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ते हैं HTML का स्ट्रक्चर होता है बेसिकली सबसे पहले डॉक टाइप बेसिकली यूज होता है कि हम ये बताते हैं कि हम HTML का 5 वर्जन यूज कर रहे हैं देन वी स्टार्ट HTML देन हेड ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर जो भी चीज हमें अपने वेबसाइट का वेब पेज पे नहीं शो करनी दैट कम्स अंडर हेड पार्ट ओके then head close and under head the title part always come and meta links another thing that we're going to discuss in further series then body the main content where the text and other things will be visible this will enclose under a body tag then html tag close at end so let's have our first program okay so let me have the first program with you all. This is a Sublime Text Editor, and always remember that your file should be saved as .html. Do remember your file should be saved as a .html. Okay. Okay. So now I will just start doc file. Okay. Wait. I will write HTML and it will give me property. See these meta links I'm telling you. Just it is Filal, not for not to confuse you all guys, I will just simply this is the structure what I showed you. Under title, I will write demo. And in body tag, I will use in heading tag. This is H1. I use H1 tag, for example, hello world. Hello world. Okay. So there are six type of headings we use. So I'm telling you the six type, and you will automatically can relate yourself to what is the difference in all the tags, like all the heading tags. H P H4, okay, right. H4, then H5, last H6. ये आपका कोड था, इस टाइप से आपका कोड आया, doc type HTML, HTML head, title, and this. Now let me save it and let me show you the preview. Okay. This is the preview window page. I will just going to refresh it. I just refresh it and you can see the difference. Smaller the number, greater the size. जितना छोटा नंबर उतना ज्यादा बड़ा, जैसे ये H1 है, ये H2 है, this is H3, H4, H5, H6. This is very small. Then little bit up. This is the difference of H. Now let's come again to the screen. And now what we'll do is we'll tell you more tags. So this is the heading tag I told you. Now let's see anchor tag for linking anything. For example, what I will do is I will start with a tag. Okay, I will start with a href equals to, this will be the tag. And now under this href, you can see under this href, are you able to, okay, under this href, what you have to do is you have to just write the link over here. So I'm just writing youtube.com and I will say click click me. Clear? I will say click me. I will small it out and I will save this. I will go to, I will first, now I will show the preview. Okay. You can see over here. Okay. You can see over here, there is a click me button. I hope you are able to see. Okay. When you will click on this button, it will redirect to the youtube.com as maybe some link error is there. That's why it's not opening. Okay, so you can do this. Now, if I have to open, you have seen that when I click the link, this link, the link open this page only. ये जो लिंक थी ये इसी पेज पे खुल गई. बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये लिंक जो है नेक्स्ट किस न्यू विंडो न्यू टैब पर खुले. फॉर दैट व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज let me get you on my screen. To that, I will give it some space. I will write target. I will write target equals to underscore blank. Okay. I just wrote this. Target equals to underscore blank. Now let's check the preview. I will refresh this. When I click on this click me button, it will give, it, it give me the link in the new window. Okay. Now let's talk about, we have talked about anchor tag. Now let's talk about image tag. For image tag, For the image tag, we have img. What we have? img. Then src. src means source. Now I will give a link. Okay. Wait, I will get a picture link. Okay. So uh, let's add our YouTube channel logo only. So let me add this. Mm. Well, I will just get the path. So for path, what I have to do is go to right click on an image, go to properties, then go to property in location, just copy the half location. Yes. Then again the slash, then uh, then copy the name of the image, like the name of the file. What is the name? Dot whether and check whether it is J. So it is JPG. This image that I'm inputting is JPG. JPG. Okay. Now let me show you the demo. Okay. Now you can see that the image has been like inserted over it, or we can change the font size, like we can change fonts like width equals to mm, 100 pixels, and oh, height height equals to 100 pixels. Now let's take it. After this, you can see the size become very small. Now we have inserted the image. Now what we're going to do is we have more tags, like if we have to add. So this is the basic tag, like we have told. In next video, we're going to see about the table tag, and we are going to see about how to create a list, how to create a table. Okay. And in next lecture, in third lecture, we're going to see almost about the for how forms about the forms, and later on later on we'll create some forms, and then we can start the CSS series. We'll style that particular form also, and also we'll make that form responsible using JavaScript. Okay, so this is all for today's the basic part of HTML. Hope you like my video. So do subscribe the HT Skill Lab channels and follow us for more amazing content. And do subscribe our channel, like the video, and any doubt, please write in the comment. We'll sure get back to you. Thank you.